Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair from Luvme Hair. This is their Water Wave Flexi-Fit Drawstring wig in 18 inches. And the drawstring is actually invisible, so I love that. And you can just pull on it to tighten it, and it is perfect for any size head. It's super adjustable. The wig also comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut, and it has a 360 lace. So it literally comes ready to wear. Now I'm just putting it on, and I'm going to take some lace tinting powder, and I'm just going to put that along the hairline just to help it better blend in with my skin. And I love that it came pre-parted. I've been wanting to try more side parted looks, so I was super excited to see that this one was already in a side part. It just makes it so much easier to work with. And I just took the powder and placed it all along my hairline, and I also put some into the part. Next, I'm just going to be getting the top of the hair flat, and I do this using a wax stick and my flat iron. I just use the wax stick and just kind of put it along the hairline and like in the parted area, and then I just take my flat iron and just straighten it out and make it nice and flat. Next, I'm just going to be defining the curls, and I do this using some leave-in conditioner and then also some moisturizer, and I'm using them from Function of Beauty. I just like to spray the hair and get it damp, run my fingers through it, and then I do like some finger coils.
Next, I'm going to be diffusing the hair, and then once it's all dry, I just like to take my fingers and just break the hair up and give it some volume.
Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. I am loving the way that this hair turned out. This texture is so pretty. The hair is really soft and it was super easy to work with, and I love how it came pre-parted. It was pre-plucked. Literally it's their Premax wig, so everything is already done, and it's also a 360 wig, so the lace literally goes all around, and this allows you to do updos and all kinds of styles. I decided to do a cute little claw clip style, and this wig is from Luvme Hair. It's in 18 inches and it's their 360 lace water wave wig, so I highly recommend checking them out. I'll have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, and I'll also have a special code for you to use. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.